Hey guys, welcome back to another stream. Welcome. How is it going, guys? Welcome. Let me have a look through the comments now, guys. Like I say, I've just come back onto the charts for the US session now. So let's have another good session, guys. Let me just share the Telegram, the YouTube link really quickly, guys, and I will I'll look at the comments in a sec, guys. I know there's a few comments there. Just give us like 30 seconds to just share this, and then we can crack on with this, guys. Trying to right, there we go. Ooh, that really nice 15 entry. Yeah, there was a nice 15 entry there. Just looking at it. Like I said, I've only just got on right now, guys, but there was a 15 entry there, unfortunately. Nice down into these lows. Yeah, what would that be running now? 7 ticks only, but yeah, there's a decent short entry there. Let me go through these questions really quickly, guys. DS, sup, bro? What's your strategy? Just so I can follow through and understand what you're doing / looking for. Cheers, bro, from Australia. DS, if you're still here, bro, welcome to the stream. Like I say, what's your full name so I can call you by that in the future? And the strategy that I teach and the strategy that I use is levels and liquidity concepts. Yeah, levels and liquidity. I trade breakouts of ranges, and I trade it into and away from liquidity. Dean, how's it going, bro? Welcome back to another stream. Wes, how's it going, mate? Welcome back. The main guys are here. Guys, like I say, if you've just joined, feel free to drop a comment. But yeah, perfect little entry there, guys. So let's have a see. Guys, if you just joined, feel free to drop a comment in. Let's see who's here. We've got 6 people, 6 likes. Nice one. You in a trade now? No, I was looking. I said to the community, guys, anybody in the community who's here and anybody who wants me to break down what I was saying in the community, I said, if this 15-minute candle closes below this level at 27.78, shorts on the next candle is valid. And that's exactly what's happened. I personally missed it because I was setting the stream up, but I've already taken around $200 today, so it doesn't really bother me too much. I'm $200 up already for today, so yeah, very valid trade, guys. If you did take that, very valid. But yeah, guys, that was a beautiful position. Like I say, you'd be break even now. No real profits to be taken just yet. You've got some lows down here that price could reverse from, but down into these lows, you've got 13 ticks to take some partials. But yeah, that would have been the trade for that would have been a nice decent trade. But there is potential to still take shorts down into these lows, depending on how this 15 closes. If this 15 closes bearish, guys, below this level, say here, just say here for example, I'll take the next 15 flip lower. So there's still opportunities to get into this market. It's beautiful, this, guys, because it's not just the hourly clause, it's the 15 clause entry as well. So you've got 15 entry and hourly entry, which when they line up together, this will probably come down into these targets now, guys. Nice one. Slow and steady wins the race 100%, Wes. Like I say, I've already taken one long with the community. We took a win this morning. Long trade. I took about $200 on partials. And now, I don't know how many in the community caught this, but I'm sure a few of them would have. Yeah, Matt took it. Good stuff. A couple of guys in the community have taken this short. And that's the thing, guys, with the community and learning the strategy from me. Like, I didn't even put... Normally, when I take positions, I'll put it in the community chat saying, guys, I'm taking shorts now. But I was setting the stream up. I didn't have time to put this short in. And there's people taking this position without me. That's just how it works. There's people taking the short without me because they know what to do. They know when to take the trade. They know what to look for, when to look for it, and yeah, they're profiting from these moves to the downside, which is great. You know, the overall target 25 ticks. Perfect entry. Look at that, guys. Liquidity taken, Close below, entry. Similar move on NAS after a lot of consolidation. Yeah, like I say, it's been consolidating a little bit on gold. Not much, just a little bit of 5-minute consolidation. But other than that, that's a perfect move. Nice work. But yeah, guys, like I say, one sec, guys. Let me just... Let me see who's here, guys. Like I say, if you've just joined, guys, drop a comment. We've got 10 people in, which is great. If you've just joined, I know we've got DS, Dean, Wes. Who else is here? I'll start... One sec, guys. What's this error message here? I'll start breaking down the charts, what I'm seeing for now, in a minute. Like, I'll delete all this in a second, but that short was perfect, guys. You know, it's moved 16 ticks down. And then we'll break down what we're seeing for the US session now anyway. Let's go. But yeah, this was a perfect short to the plan, to the strategy, and you'd be running break even now. Dun, 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 dun. Right, guys, let's go. Let's break this down now. Just before I do start, the news in 20 minutes as well. Dean's right, guys. Guys, if you do want to join the strategy, if you do want to get the trades that I'm taking, if you do want to get the trades that I'm taking, if you do want to learn the strategy, get involved in the members chats. The community's great, guys. Seriously, get inside the community. You'll change your trading for sure. I'll just link it there, guys. So one sec. Just took $100 on the short we were talking about in the Discord. Matt, great stuff, bro. That's what the Discord's about, taking W's all the time. Oliver, so Joe, as discussed in Discord, you don't work out 1% trade. You always trade 2 lots on 200k, no matter the stop loss. Yeah, 100% Oliver. The way we trade, we need to be taking positions quickly. There's no time to be working out percentages, guys. If you've got a 50k, just use 1 lot. If you've got a 200k, you can use like 2 or 3 lots. Absolutely fine. You're not going to blow an account with 1 or 2 contracts. 1 or 2 contracts on a... 1 or 2 contracts, guys, on a 100k account will not blow your account in 10 trades. If you use proper risk management with a 10 to 15 tick stop, like even, guys, even this this trade here, which ran in, if you're using 2 contracts, you've made $300 on this trade, and the risk on this trade was $120. So this is a 3-to-1, guys. And my rule of thumb is, guys, if I have a bigger stop loss than 30 ticks, I use half risk. So the maximum I can lose on a trade is $150 per contract. I'm not going to be blowing accounts with $150 losses, guys, because my wins are like $500, and my losses are like maybe like $150. You're not going to be blowing accounts with that. So that's the best management for sure. Made the mistake I remember you talking about the other day. I clicked close position at 300 and ended up with 100 instead of moving my TP. We'd matched it, but it was jumping a bit quite a lot. Yeah, like I say, guys, on Top Step, if you're taking profits, just move your entry, just move your TP to the actual price, and you'll get taken out at actual price. Don't press the X button because it takes you out at where the volume is, the next available entry is. You don't want to be doing that. I learnt the mistake for like 2 weeks of not understanding why my X's are taking, when I just close manually, why it takes me out. Right, guys, let's break this down really quickly. Gold, if we just reverse back a little bit, I was actually saying to the community, guys, if we can close back above like 27.81 after, you know, taking this liquidity to the left here, we took this liquidity to the left. If we can get back above this level, I'm going to look to go long into this trendline liquidity. Because if we get back above 27.81 into that trendline liquidity, you've got 50 ticks, which is perfect, guys. 50 ticks in the session, done for the day. But what gold started to do, it started to form a clear range for us from 27.80 to 27.79. And for me, there was no trading within this range because you can see that if you just mark price up, what it's doing, resistance, resistance. Look what it's doing in between this level, guys. Support, support, resistance, sorry. Support, support, support. You know, what could happen here, guys? Why would I look to not long here? Because price could continue down. Why would I not look to go sell here? Because price could just go back up. So within this range, there's nothing to be doing. And look what price did exactly, guys, at this level. This is why you don't go long until you close above, because price instantly reverses down. Price instantly reversed down, got back below the sell, got back below 27.79, which I was looking for sells on, and I know a few guys in the community have taken the sell here down, which into them lows you've ran like TP at 15 ticks, which is not bad. One contract, $150, but you know the rest would be at break even anyway. But that's the thing, if you can take, even if you can take one win, one break even, one partial in the day, guys, you're going to be doing very, very well if you can do that consistently. Even if you're taking partials and getting the rest at break even, if you do that consistently throughout the week, more than you take them losses, you're going to be doing very, very well. But like, we don't do that. We take them 40, 50, sometimes 80 tick wins, which is what we tend to get mostly on gold. What I'm looking for now, guys, is if this 30, like I say, if this 30 closes bearish, because to me this 15 is not closing bearish enough. But if this new 30 here in 15 minutes closes bearish enough, because if you look at the 15 really quickly, the 15 is actually starting to create a wick here, and that's not strong enough. I like strong closes like this. Okay, I missed the short on this candle. Oh my god, look at the news. I was going to say short down into this liquidity to the left here. Look at that. I was going to say shorts down into that liquidity, but is what it is. That's gone now. That's news for you guys. But yeah. Anyway, that's gone for now. Spot too soon. Wow. One sec, guys. Let me just check. Yeah, is that news? Really quickly, I think news. Yeah, news is out. Non-farm USD non-farm employment change. Yeah. There is some more news in 15 minutes GDP, guys. Yeah, but guys, that was literally the analysis that I was looking for on the new 15 minute. I was looking for that push down into them lows, which would have been a nice 20 ticks, but news messed things up. I tried to say everything before the news came out, but I weren't quick enough. But yeah, because this candle broke bearish and took liquidity as it closed bearish, the next point of liquidity is here that needs taking. So now we've taken this liquidity. The best thing to do now as well is if we get a nice hourly closure, we can still look for that confirmation lower. Like I say, we need to wait for that confirmation now, guys, because liquidity's been taken. But not bad. If the only way I'd start looking for longs now is if price started closing back above some of these levels, like 27.79 or 27.80. Standard is a must. When you say standard is a must, when you say support, what is support? As a newbie, I'm learning. Standard is a must. Support is basically, you've got support, which price is holding a support here. So if you've got a range like so, and price is holding a level like this, it's bouncing off this level many times. This is holding this level as support. This is a support level, okay? And then on the flip side, if price is holding this level here, it's a resistance. This is resistance. This is a resistance level. This is a support level, okay? Holding it as support, holding it as resistance, okay? The level is supporting the price, and here it's resisting to get above, okay? Let me have a look at what Ron said. How to combine market order and TP for the shorts. Nice work, Ron. You just know where the liquidity is for sure. Standard is a must if you're a newbie and you're learning, bro, as well. You can look at Baby Pips. Baby Pips has like a little free course that you can do. Like, it's not going to make you profitable, Baby Pips for sure. Baby Pips won't make you profitable at all. But if you've just started, trading, look at that. It's a free little course. Like I say, it's very retail, guys, and I trade opposite of retail. So whatever they tell you on Baby Pips, just learn the basics. And yeah, if you can, standard is a must. Try and find a course or like a group that you can follow instead of Baby Pips. But if you can't join any just yet, just follow that for free. But yeah, look at that, liquidity smashed. Even if you just took the short on there, guys, and held it through the news, you've made 30 ticks there. Let me just check the Discord. Nothing going on there. But yeah, guys, we've got 13 people in. Drop a question in, guys, if you just joined. Let me just check. But yeah, no worries, mate. Even if you did hold maybe a little, even if you did hold a little position, you know, if you went break even and you did hold a little position on that entry there, it's just a great entry, guys. You can just see the plan plays out time and time again. Like, there's no need to rush anything. Like, even on Monday, guys, I said to everyone, I was saying, guys, we're not trading because there's nothing going on. Last week, I mean, Monday and Tuesday last week. Like, the plan's going to show you 3 or 4 trades some days, and some days it's not going to show you any. You just got to wait for that, the plan to show every single day. One sec, guys, let me just clean my screen. But yeah, look at that. Overall, it ran like 50 ticks. For me, overall targets for me as well, guys, for shorts, is this area down here. This area down here, like 2760. Let me just check some coins that I'm looking at to go long on. Daily on that, pull back. We're gonna go, literally, guys, on this crypto, I was looking at long in here. And my bank denied my payment for some reason, but it's working now. But that's like 30% gain. I don't know why all the regulations on crypto have changed, so I've just missed out on 30% gain there. It's working now. It's nothing to do with my bank. It's just crypto being stupid about regulations. But yeah, I'm looking at chain swap longs. But look at that, 30% in a day just because my bank didn't accept it. Gutted. And what else am I looking at? What is it? Oh no, it's AI. Standard is a must. To be honest, MK. Oh yeah, Jonathan, nice one. Yeah, I understand, mate. Yeah, all good, bro. Yeah, like I say, drop me a message anytime. I'll call you Jonathan. It's your real name. Yeah, drop me a message anytime if you have any questions. Don't think that you can't. Yeah, welcome to the community as well. Let's smash it. And yeah, ask me any questions in the YouTube as well. It's absolutely fine. You disguise yourself in many ways, yeah. What a play down though. It's like 56 there. Oh, I don't know what is gold even going to give us today, guys. I think it's a bit ruined after news there, to be honest with you. Stay on and see what happens though. Like I say, if you profited a little bit today, guys, there's a couple of moves. I can go through the entry with the community as well. We took a nice little hourly entry. We took this here. So with the community, after this green hourly candle closure, we entered on the next candle flip higher, and it ran like 20 ticks exactly. And we took partials, and the rest were at break even. But that little candle to the upside there, that's where we took the entry. Like I say, not huge, but like $200 it worked out for me at partials, which is decent. Bam, bam, bam. Yes, guys, how many subscribers is my YouTube on now? Let me just double check. 318, nice. 318 subscribers, guys. Good stuff. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, guys, welcome to the stream as well, guys. Anybody who's just joined, welcome. And if you've got any questions, feel free to drop a comment. Yeah, like I say, news has just ruined gold again, as always. But if I'm going to look to go long, guys, on gold, it'd have to be back above this level at 27.79. If it gets above 27.79, then I've got some decent first targets into here, which is also a little bit of a range too. And then also we've got this trendline liquidity. So that's something I'm going to be watching for now. Back above this level, I'm going to look to long. Because all the time on gold, guys, you're not looking to buy gold here. You're not looking to buy gold here. Okay? You're looking to buy gold down here when it pulls back. And that's exactly what we did. We took buys here and tried taking it up. We took a partial and then rest break even. We're not looking to buy here, we're looking to buy here. Like I say, we're not looking to buy here, we're looking to buy now when we're down here. So now if we can get back above this level, like I say, nice strong closure back above 27.79, 27.80, then you've got first targets into them highs, which is first targets into them highs like 20, 30 ticks. Bam, bam, bam. It's interesting, this 30 as well. If this 30 closes bullish above, I'm very interested in longs. Just need to make sure that we get that strong close, like, because there's quite a few levels on gold that you need to really get back above. The 5 is messy, but yeah, we'll see. Still a lot of room to the upside, guys. Overall targets for me with longs will be these highs here and all-time highs again, okay? So yeah, delete that trend line and they're the upside targets. Bam, bam. Let me just update the community really quickly. What level's that? 2780. Yeah, I'm going to use 2780. I need to update them on the levels for anybody who's not in the thing, the YouTube live. Everyone. More news in 5 minutes. Yeah, the news in 5 minutes, guys, is actually quite good, because if this news can take us back above 2780, we get that closure, then we can just long into all-time highs again, which is good. Because gold has had that pullback on the hourly, which is perfect. It's given us that hourly pullback, which is all you need to wait for. Like I just mentioned to everyone, don't buy here. Buy down here when price has taken these lows, okay? But there's a big but here, guys. If this news comes and takes all-time highs without giving us an entry, then I'll have to come off stream. Because one rule is I don't buy at all-time highs because there's no clear targets. So, yeah. Well, this 15's looking great. If we can get back above 2780. Got a lot of levels to look at on gold. Nothing too clean yet. So, like I said, 2780 is just nice to get back above. It's probably the safest bet for now. Like I said, we've got news as well, guys, in 3 minutes. So, almost tried drinking with top lid on then. But yeah, like I say, guys, you've got a lot of news today. If you've taken, for me, for example, and a few other guys in the community, if you are here, you've taken some nice wins this morning. You know, we've taken 2 wins this morning, from what I can see in the community. We've taken 2 wins. If you've taken 2 wins, don't ruin all that base because of news. News is coming out. News is gonna blow your account. Just take a step back, and if you've taken wins, just take it slowly. Look for that high probability trade. And it's the same for people who even haven't taken a trade, no matter what. Just look for them high probability entries. Cheers to the lights, guys. Nice one. Nice one for the lights, guys. Yes, we got news in 1 minute, guys. Let's see what happens. So we've got news in 30 seconds, guys. What's everyone thinking on news? Get your comments in. What's everyone thinking with news? Bullish or bearish? Let me know, guys. Let's have a look. We got news now. 12:30. Yeah, advanced GDP for USD. There we go. This is interesting. If this 15, if this new 15 gets back above this level now, perfect. I'll go long. If it rejects, that's perfect confirmation to go lower on gold. So there's a few plays here today. There's a few plays. You just got to wait for these closures, guys. Wait for your closures, wait for your entries, and take it with the volume. Bearish. Hey, Naz, how's it going? How are you, Naz? Bearish, then bullish. Yeah, good stuff, Wes. You got that right. It's gone a little bit more bearish. Like I said, there's a few plays we can do just based off this new 15 candle. So, yeah. Yo, Naz, how's it going? Your message was retracted, Naz. I don't know what you said, but it mustn't have been able to be commented. Like I said, just a waiting game, guys, with news today. Take your time. It's been very active. I've taken 2 positions today, so it's going to be very active. More wins today. Let's go. Yeah, Naz, let's smash it, mate. Sweep and move like a ninja. Yeah, good stuff, Wes. There's a lot to look at today, guys, in terms of with news, you know, where prices, all-time highs. There's a lot to take into consideration. Like, yeah, there's some nice liquidity to take above market, but I can't take it until you get back above 27.80. Unfortunately. Just because look what's happening now. Anybody who's long early here, not knowing that price is going to reject from this level is in drawdown. Okay. But because we know that we need to get back above there, we're not gonna be in drawdown because we know that when price gets above 27.80, that's where the volume will step in and will continue higher. Bam, bam, bam. How many people we got? We've got 10 people in, guys. Welcome, everyone. Yeah, welcome back to another stream. Right, let's get it, guys. Back above 2780, then we can look either for confirmation or instant impulse entries long. Like I say, guys, if anyone's got any questions, feel free to drop a comment in. News has not really helped us much, to be honest. It's taken our targets to the downside here from our short position here. So it's taken our like 30 tick targets to the downside. The only thing we can do is get back above this level at 2780 and then continue into these highs and these highs. That's the only play we can really do for now. There's no shorts yet until the 15 closes. Or the 30, so we just need to wait. And there's probably no full risk sells until you get back below 2777, this rejection area here, because you can take shorts within the range, but it has to be half risk because you're within the range. Look at this range you've got now: resistance, 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 resistance. Now acting as resistance again. So for me, sells below 2777 and buys above 2780. Price looks bullish. Last 15-minute candle, big rejection. Yeah, Naz, definitely. I'm going to be looking for buys if we get back above 2780. Yeah, this 15 is going to be nice, guys. If this 15 closes bullish, then I will be looking to even 2781 would be nice, but at least 2780 above. And then I'll be looking for a decent move higher into these areas. You know, decent area into somewhere around here. Which, if we do get that push, it's like 30 ticks. Which is decent. Joe, what do you think of divergence? Too discretionary? No, I don't use divergence, mate. It's just, you don't need to know anything about divergence. Yeah, it's it's an indicator. Obviously, it's an indicator. I don't think it's too discretionary. Like, obviously, it tells you when to buy and sell, really, doesn't it? If you over, it's like RSI as well. I don't use anything like RSI. I don't use any indicators. I just use price action and what I'm seeing. But divergence, I've never really used it. Let me just check if there's any more news, guys. No more news, really. We've got some CAD news later, but it's not going to affect the market too much. But yeah, let me just say, what do you think of divergences? Yeah, but divergence, I don't use it. It's just an indicator in it. Like, if price, for example, if price is moving differently to what an indicator is saying, I'm not going to buy or sell because it just doesn't work. If it worked and trading was that easy, then yeah, I think everyone would use it. But it's not that easy, unfortunately. Pure price action is definitely the best way to trade, 100%. I don't care what anybody says. And here we go. This is the bullish momentum we've been waiting for, guys. We've got 20 minutes until the hourly closes as well. You know, you've got potential hourly, 30-minute, 15-minute entries here. So everything's lining up for longs for me. Depends how big our stop loss is going to be. And the good thing about what we're seeing here is if we don't get the 15-minute entry, we can just wait for the 30 and the hourly entry. Absolutely fine. And the 4 hourly is closing in 20 minutes too. Guys, smash a like on here, guys. We need 2 more people to like, and then I'm back at 10. If you haven't liked already, guys, just drop a like on the video, please. I appreciate it all. But yeah, we've got 5 minutes to wait here on this 15, guys. We have got, guys, let me just check really quickly. Have we got any... We've got NFP on Friday as well, guys. We've got so much... Guys, I won't be going live on Friday. We've got USD hourly earnings, red news. We've got non-farm payroll and unemployment rate all on Friday. So the last live will be tomorrow, unfortunately. I'm not going live when news is like so. But yeah, this 15 is setting up nicely, guys. That's the thing though, if the 15 doesn't set up, I've still got 13 hourly entries, so there's no real push to say. Because if you think about it, we've got the range into these highs and these highs. So even if the 15 does push and we don't get the entry, you've still got like 70 ticks into all-time highs. There's no drama there. How many people have we got in, guys? We've got 13 and nice. Like I say, guys, if you just joined... Oh, 10 likes as well, guys. Nice one. But if you have just joined, feel free to drop a comment, guys, if you've got any questions. I'm waiting on this 15 closure here in 3 minutes 30. Oh, 12 likes. Nice one, guys. Smashing the like button there, guys. Here we go. What's everyone saying? You guys go to long this. I was away from my laptop. No, we haven't longed yet, Matt. We're waiting for this 15 closure. What's your views on using Fibonacci, Joe? I used to use it, Wes. Naz, sorry. I used to use it. Fibonacci is quite good. I know gold loves the 50. I know gold loves the 50. The 50 level on the fib. But yeah, I don't use it anymore. No need. Like I say, I literally just use 2 levels and liquidity targets. Let me reset the music really quickly on the thing. Yeah, I literally just use levels and liquidity targets. That pure price action, it works so well. Like, you don't need any indicators. You don't need any Fibonacci tools. You don't need anything, guys. Seriously. If you learn the strategy that I taught you, you don't need any of that. You can literally, even I don't even need this trend line or this level here. You only need 3 drawings on your chart. 3 lines. I want this 15 to close above 2782. It needs to close above this level here. This liquidity area at 2782.1. It needs to close above it. Because if it doesn't, that's just a liquidity grab for this to go lower. Okay? That's a big one. If it don't get above here, then this is just a liquidity grab for this to continue down back into this range. Okay? Clean and simple, really the best. Trading is hard enough without, you know, overcomplicated. Exactly. Trading is hard enough to, you don't need to complicate it even more for sure. All you need is a proven strat that discipline to follow. Easier said than done though, 100%, yeah. Like, I can give you all the tools that make me profitable, but if you don't follow them, then you're not going to be profitable. Like, 100% right. Just stick to the rules, and you have to see every rule before you enter a trade. Then exactly what's happening now, guys. Look, there's no trade because we've liquidated this high. We needed to close above this high to take longs. Okay. Yeah, not strong enough to long that just yet, guys, for me, unfortunately. No bottom wick either. Instantly pushed up. The next entry for me is either the 30 or the hourly entry, so don't worry about it. We've still got potential 30 close entries and hourly close entries, so the hourly looks beautiful for more continuation longs, though. We just need to wait for that strong closure. Might set up on the hourly still. Yes, Skate. I've just, yeah, mate, I've just gone over that. You've still got hourly entries and 30 entries. You haven't got 15 entries because this is actually a liquidity grab here. And I don't enter when the candle is a liquidity grab. You know, you've got liquidity grab at this high here. The only way we can enter this now is if you get 5-minute confirmation above 2780 or the 30 in the hourly clause is strong. So there's a couple of ways we can still tackle this and enter long. Like I say, targets remain the same, guys. This trend line liquidity. But yeah, Skate, welcome back to a stream, bro. Welcome back to the stream, Skate. Good to have you again, bro. $30 looks clean, guys. Look at the 30. I'm just going to delete this level. Look at this. You've got a beautiful liquidity grab here. This low got taken beautifully to the left. Closing back above 2780. To me, it would be strange if gold didn't come into these highs next. If it closes bullish on the 30 and the hourly now, it'd be strange if gold just dropped to the downside. Because that's a beautiful candle closure. You know, you've actually got an hourly level here at 2781 too. So let's see if we can get above it all. See if we can get above it all, guys. I've been for long already. Nice, Naz. Where did you enter? Where did you enter, Yaz? Naz? Yeah, hourly entries look really clean, guys. You know, if the hourly close is strong, like here, 2782.6, then into them highs, you've got a clear 40 ticks. Tired today. How do you navigate around 4-hour open? I'm sometimes wary of the first 15. Yeah, good to be back, man. I'm off my day job for the week, so fired up for my new XFA. Nice. And we'll be for the streams. Yeah, good stuff, Skate. Nice one, mate. Tune into the streams and yeah, let's smash it. Yesterday we caught 14 ticks, so let's try and catch the same today, Skate. 2780 entry. One sec, I'll go over your entry thingy in a second, Naz. But for 4-hour opens, guys, yeah. When the 4-hour opens, you do tend to see a bit of a bottom or top wick more. So that's what I'm going to be looking at on this hourly, guys, because I am cautious of the 4-hourly opening as well. 4-hourly closing and the new one opening. So what we could see on this hourly is a potential, if we close, for example, here. Let's say we close here. A potential bottom wick of like 10, 15 ticks, and then we just get on the flip. The thing is with the 4-hour open, I just normally give it a little bit more time to play out. So if we do push down instantly on the 4-hour, say 20, 30 ticks, I don't just cancel the order. I give it like maybe another 10, 15, 20 minutes to play out, like I don't do with 15 or 30 minute entries, because the 4-hour can take time to flip. Like, remember guys, this green candle was once very bearish down here. You need to give it that time to flip higher. But look at the 4-hour now. The 4-hour was taken, like I mentioned in the Discord community, the 4-hour is now taken these two 4-hour lows. For me on gold, if we get a strong close above 81, it'd be strange if it reversed down into these lows again. So for me, after this hourly closes, if we do get this closure like we are on the hourly now, I do think these highs and then all-time highs again. But yeah, just liquidity into liquidity there, guys. Simple. Naz entered at 2780. Let's have a look at 2780. Yeah, decent, Naz. You're a bit risky entry there because you're entering at a big level where price could reverse down. But if you got that risky entry, I don't see there's a problem. But yeah, keep that into consideration, mate. But yeah, I'm waiting on this hourly close now, guys. We've got 8 minutes until this hourly closes, guys. Just stay patient with this one. Stay patient. Leroy Jenkins. Sure, that's like a character on some game, isn't it? Leroy Jenkins. I'm like you, Naz, always. Yeah, exactly. Don't FOMO into the market, guys. Don't FOMO in. If you see what you need to see, then yeah, take the trade, but be aware of your levels. Took a bit of a risk, but I can't see price going lower due to the liquidity grab on the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, well, the liquidity on the hourly and the 30 minutes super clean for me to look for longs. And this trend line here means for me, you've got at least on the next hourly, you've got at least 20 ticks until you can go break even. So we'll wait for this hourly to close. 7 minutes anyway. Also, massive rejection downwards. Yeah, I agree. Nice. Yeah, welcome to the stream, guys. We've got 11 people here. Hourly entries are the one for me today, guys. This hourly entry is going to be beautiful if we can catch it. Yeah. I don't see why this can't go into all-time highs now on the next hourly. Which into all-time highs you've got 60 ticks, 70 ticks. Just had to update the community really quickly, guys. Sorry. Guys, I'll be back in 30 seconds. I'm just going to go and fill some water up. Give us 20 seconds. Yes, guys, I'm back. Right, guys, yeah, I hope this hourly close is strong, guys. Because it is the 4-hour flip as well, so I want this 4-hour to close a bit stronger than the hourly and the 4-hourly line up too. 5 minute? If the 5 minute closes bullish, perfect. You've got every time frame lining up. And it's actually quite rare you see that 4 to the 5 lining up. Even the 15, but it doesn't look like it's going to close bullish now. We'll see. We've got 3 minutes here. Like I said, there's a few ways you can play today. Especially with how the 4-hour and the hourly are lining up. There's a few ways you can play it. Like I say, guys, any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. If you're new, like I said, I do go live 4 to 5 times per week on YouTube, so drop us a follow, drop us a subscribe, and tune in every day. So we've got a minute and a half here to wait. I've done stops at break even, so no risk trade now. Running well in profit at the moment. Good stuff, Naz. Very, very good stuff. Good that you're reducing that risk, and good that you're you understand that as well. Not many people do take profits, and not many people do go break even. So yeah, good stuff, bro. This hourly looks good for longs, so I'm just gonna wait to see if we can bottom wick here in 1 minute. If we can bottom wick here in a minute, then yeah, I can take longs. Just need to get my thingy right. Let's look at the 5. Hourly. Yeah, hourly's closing nice, guys. Leaving a little bit of a wick as well that we can target, which is good. Like I said, that is the liquidity low now. So price, if it's going to go into all-time high, shouldn't come back down into here. Like I say, we'll see. See what bottom wicket gives us. Oh, you bugger. Gold, you bugger. I wanted to get in that. You bugger. 10 tick bottom wick instantly as well. That was a beautiful position. That would have been the trade, guys. Wow. 10 tick bottom wick instantly pushing up now. Wow. Wow, gold. No way I could have got that in that quick. Anybody get that in? Did anybody at all get that in? Because that's, you have to be super, super quick for that. Guys, did anybody take that? Flip too quick for me. Yeah, it's such a pity. Such a pity that it just went instantly without me. Like, I wanted to get in on the flip. That 10 tick stop loss were perfect, but it just went without me. Look at that. I bet it was in the minute. Yeah, look at that. It was. I bet it was in the seconds, guys. I don't think I can get the second. No, I can't get the second. I can on my futures chart, but look at that. It's literally within like 10 seconds. It's so annoying. But yeah, that would have been the perfect position for today. Hourly entry there. The only way you'd have caught that is if you market executed. Like, I tried to put the buy stop in, and it just didn't give it me. I just couldn't do it. It just went without me. Tough to catch, but it's too quick anyway for me, and it's only a 8 bottom wick on a 4-hour candle. Yeah, of course. Yeah, only an 8 wick bottom wick. Like I say, 8 to 10 wicks is perfect for me to long off, and obviously the 4 hourly as well. It's only a bottom wick of the 8 ticks, but yeah, you'd have had to been quick on that trade, guys. You'd have had to market execute. The only way you could have caught that is if you market executed. Yeah, it flips super quick, that, guys. Like, I tried putting it in. As soon as I put it in, it like didn't let me put the order in because it flipped too quickly. Like, when I put the order in, it was like here, unfortunately, but it is what it is. Oh, the joys of trading, guys. 20 ticks there. You'd be break even anyway. I want it to hit break even. For the guys who are in down here, I just want it to hit break even and then continue higher for you. Because I'd be break even now. Yeah, getting in did pay early, to be fair. Did pay, Naz. Good stuff, bro. It's annoying. I don't get 4 more though, guys. If I miss this position, I miss this position. It is what it is. This could have easily just continued down, but getting back above here is the perfect entry. A lot of volume in the market as well right now. Moving quite quickly. There's always that next opportunity. No need to worry, guys. Yeah, of course. No need to worry. Never get 4 more. Like I say, I never get 4 more because I know that what gold can do. I know that it could easily done the opposite. I know that sometimes it is what it is. You just got to accept it, unfortunately. It is what it is. Like, you miss it, you miss it. You move on to the next one. Like, even now, you'd be break even and you'd only be running like 9 ticks in profit, so it's no drama. Like I said, I've already taken $200 today, so there's no need to rush into anything. But I do think this is going to come and take all-time highs, potentially, guys. When is it going to do it? I don't know. There's a great thing that we can look for now. We can look for price on the 15-minute to come and take maybe a 15 low, close back above, and then we can get the continuation play higher. So that's what I'm going to be looking for now. It's the only thing I can really look for right now, guys, unfortunately. But, yeah. Some 15-minute confirmation would be nice. Maintaining above 70.81. 27.81. But yeah, welcome guys to the stream. We've got 13 people in. Welcome all. That was the entry that I was looking for though. Perfect hourly entry. See, break even on the rest of that as well, so nice work. I would like some 15 lows to get taken and then continue higher. You know, grab some 15 lows here, get back above, and then we can long. So there's still a bit of trading left today, guys. Guys, welcome. Anybody who's just joined the stream, welcome. Like I say, if we did try taking the hourly entry here. The best thing to do now is, because the hourly entry didn't give us the entry that we wanted, even though it was very clean, just too quick for us to enter. That volume stepped in really quickly. The best thing that we can do is wait for this 15 to grab a low. If it's this, or this, grab a low and then continue higher. That's perfect for me. But overall targets are the same, guys. Hourly entry, hourly took liquidity, closed back above at 27.81. For me, all-time highs again would be the target. Okay. But yeah, clean, and the 4 hourly looks good as well. Took them 4 hour lows, closed bullish back above. Could potentially continue higher now. Like guys, if you've got any questions, feel free to drop it in the comments. We've got 14 people here, so if anybody's got any questions at all, feel free to put it down. Like I say, yesterday we took a 14 tick win. Today we tried catching that win from here, which would have been 30 ticks, but it is what it is. I tell you what would be nice, guys, if this hourly, I know it's 50 minutes until we close, but if this hourly closes bullish, like maybe say something like here, then the next hourly is more than likely going to go into all-time highs. That's one play you can play. The next play you can play is 15-minute confirmation and 5-minute confirmation. So you've got 5 and 15-minute confirmation in play. 30-minute 2 on 30-minute closes in 18 minutes. So if we get a 30-minute close in 18 minutes, bet bullish like we are here, then yeah, the next 30 you can. But then the hourly is probably the best shot. But that's 50 minutes until we close, and I don't look like the 5's gonna pull back anytime soon. Like I say, guys, I'll stay on for this. I'm going to see if this 30 can enter. I'm going to see if this 30 can set up for us. If this 30 doesn't set up, then I'm just going to wait for the hourly to close and I'll stay in the community. But we can stay on for this 30 closure to see if we can catch them longs higher. Like I said, I don't want to just come off just yet because this 30 could set up, yeah. Like I say, guys, keep active in the chat. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop it in. Feel free to drop any questions in, guys. If you want to talk about anything to do with traveling, trading, travel trading, funding accounts, whatever, let me know. It's not just about the chart we're seeing now. It's an open discussion about anything. Feel free to get it in, guys. And if you want me to break any other charts down at all, crypto, any other futures pairs, then yeah, let me know. Mm-mm. 30-minute entry looks really good here, guys. If we can 15-minute, I don't want to take the 15 because we haven't taken any liquidity, guys. Oh, here we go. Naz has got some questions. Have you used FTMO, Joe? Yes, I have. FTMO really good, Naz. Really, really good. Oh, Saf got a 5-minute entry. Where did Saf get the 5? Oh, I think Saf entered the 5. Someone in the community, guys, entered a 5 long here, which was beautiful. I'm guessing it was here. You know, liquidity grab, continuation higher. Here or here. I think it might have even been here, guys. But yeah, what a trade higher. I'm personally not trading the 5 today just because I've already taken a lot of entries. I've taken a couple of entries today already, and I'm already up over $200. So, but yeah, that's valid. That's a valid entry for sure. But 30-minute entry for me can only happen in 14 minutes. There's no 15 entry because the 15 hasn't taken liquidity in 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, guys. So there's no 15 entry. The only way we can enter this is if the 30-minute closes strongly like now, and then you've got 25 ticks into all-time highs, and that would also be the hourly close. The 30-minute close, which is closing in 13 minutes to get the 30-minute long, or the next hourly close, which is in 43 minutes. So there's a couple of plays here, guys. Like I say, there's nothing setting up just now, but yeah, 30-minute will be the next entry in 13 minutes. I'm in this high of the last 15. Good stuff, Ron. Nice work. You're smashing it at the moment, Ron. I got to go. Damn, nice trade though. Naz making bang. Yeah, good stuff, Naz. TP hit for me. That's me done for the day. Naz, class. Good stuff, bro. Yeah, take your time off now, Naz. Just do what you're doing. On to the next one, bro. You know that, bro. Yeah, good stuff. Take it easy, guys. Back again tomorrow. Yeah, Naz. See you again tomorrow, bro. Welcome. And yeah, thanks for tuning into the stream again, mate. The last YouTube live will be tomorrow, guys. So everyone tune in. Yeah, you know it, bro. Good stuff. Yeah. In a bit, Naz, mate. In a bit. Nice. Oh, guys, good stuff. Saf got in. Another leg got in. Tom got in. Good stuff. We've got like 3 or 4 people catching the longs in the community, which is great. Great stuff. See, guys, this is why you need to wait for the 30 to close as well. Look what the 30 is doing here. We've taken this liquidity, now rejecting. This is why you don't enter too. This is why you always wait for the closes. Because if this 30 doesn't close above this liquidity to the left, then I can't long, because this is just a liquidity grab to go lower. However, if it closes back above 86, 27.86, then it has the freedom to go into this all-time high here. Okay, so be aware of your candle closes and how they form. But yeah, I'm gonna give it maybe this 5 minutes, see how it closes. If it's not good, then we'll come back tomorrow, guys, and see what can happen, because this 30 doesn't look like it's gonna close bullish to me. Bam, bam, bam. But yeah, good stuff, guys. If you took some profit today, great stuff. Like I say, we'll just took a decent trade yesterday. There was a couple of decent trades today. It's just about catching them positions. 4-hour highs got taken too, so this is just a big rejection area, guys. A lot of liquidity's been taken here. Yeah, right, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it here, guys. I'm gonna leave it here. Good stream, guys. There was 2 or 3 entries that was available to enter on this stream, but Price just didn't want to give us the entry. You know, I've taken 2 positions today, and we've had some wins. I'm over $200 up, so there's no push for me to enter the market just yet. What I am going to be waiting for, I'm going to see how this 30 closes. If this 30 can close bullish above this liquidity level to the left here, then I will be looking to go long into all-time highs. But it all depends on how this 30 closes, guys. Okay? So I hope everyone's enjoyed the stream. I hope everyone's enjoyed the stream, and I'll see you again for another hour and a half, 2 hours in tomorrow. Okay? Anybody in the community, stay active. Anybody in the community, stay active. And yeah, like I say, guys, if you do want to join the community, make sure you get involved, guys. It will change the way you trade gold. Definitely, for sure. If you join the community, your strike rate, if you follow the plan and the strategy, your strike rate will definitely improve for sure, and your win rate. So there's the link if you wanna join. Skate, legend, thanks for tuning in again, bro. Thanks for tuning in again, Skate. Cheers, Joe. Yeah, D, no worries, mate. Like I say, guys, see you all tomorrow, and yeah, we'll smash it tomorrow, guys. Pleasure as always, and have a great evening. If you're still trading, guys, take it slow. And yeah, main thing for me, guys, is just to wait how this 30 closes in 7-8 minutes, okay? Anybody in the community, when this 30 closes, I'll update you. In a bit, guys. Yep, standard is a must. In a bit, mate. Oh, Jonathan. Anyway, Jonathan's in a bit. Yeah, in a bit, guys. Peace.